Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel the Weather Channel app subscription. So let's get started. So here we can see the Weather Channel app. So I will just open it, and here you have to log in with your premium account ID. Okay, so here I have to follow this simple method. So at here I will just click on OK. Then at here you have to log in with your ID. Then you have to open your Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. So at the right top section you can see the account option. Just click on there. Then you have to select as payment and subscriptions. Then you have to click on subscriptions at the second option. So if the app shows in the active section, you have to click on the cancel and confirm the cancellation. If it shows on the expired section, you click on remove and confirm the remove. So by this way you can just do it. It's an easy method to do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.